keys were really just to play our kind of game. Play hard, play tough, play physical, play sound. Don't beat ourselves. And I think we did that. And we were able to jump out to a lead and hold that lead, so it went well.
Coaches threw everything at us, and we had a really good week of practice, high energy, a lot of competition, and I think that's what made us a better team this week.
We did have some big plays. We were able to convert on some drives, and we didn't turn the ball over, which has really been our Achilles heel this year. So when you hold on to the football and you're making drives and executing, good things are going to happen. And obviously when those big plays were there, we hit them tonight, which was nice.
We just worked a lot of different defensive fronts. Like, we didn't really know what they were coming out with. They're kind of unorthodox with their defensive schemes, and we never really know what we're going to get.
Part of it is getting certain guys back too, and for a couple weeks there we were missing Joe Dykman. He's really the heart and soul of our defense, so I think that's a key too, is just getting a little healthier too, even though we're still a little bit banged up. But staying healthy, obviously having the right personnel, and then the coaches doing a really good job on the defensive side of the ball.
Night games are great. I mean, it's a little cold, but everybody's moving around, having a good time. Younger guys get in on these big wins, and so it's great to see those guys get in and get a lot of experience, because they're going to be the future of this team.
Saw a lot of good things with some of the young guys. I know Randall Eaker had an interception, broke up a ball down there on the goal line, played really well from his cornerback spot. It's always a lot of fun when you can get a lot of people in the game, and every single young man on our team tonight played, so that's a lot of fun when we can do that.
Keys, definitely keeping intensity up during practice. We have been the last few weeks, and that's made us a much better team, I think. And Augsburg coming up, it's going to be really important to keep that competition going, and high intensity during practice, and then positivity all week.